Hi! You want to see the desk tour? All right, come on in. So today we're going to be showing everything about my work from home setup, my work from home station, where I got everything from, and how you too can achieve this luxurious work from home setup right here in Nigeria. So let's get started. So the very first thing is our calendar board, that's the right word. I got this from Office R Us at Mega Plaza here in Lagos. So I use this as a planner to keep track of everything I have to do for the month. So if I have to film a video on YouTube or do something else for my other business, I note it down here so that I can make sure that I'm extremely organized. So right here we have another board. Now this is my pin board or my vision board. So I use this to put my quotes on it, my Bible passages, things that inspire me or things that motivate me to keep working harder. And then things that I need or things that are on my to-do list, like daily to-do list, I put everything here. I also got this board from the same store, Office R Us. So they actually are an office store. So they sell things like stationery, they sell things like boards, chairs, and just other stuff that you need for your office or your home office. I think they're your ideal place to shop for things you need for your home office. And then right here, we have my workstation. It's very small because of the space in the office. So I got this table actually from my brother. He actually built it with a carpenter. So you can actually achieve this with any carpenter that is good. So all they did was put this, is in Leica on the top. And then they put black tape around the edges and then painted the legs black and everything. But it's just a regular wooden table. And then my water bottle, I got this from a YouTube event that I attended a couple of months ago. And then this little plant right here, I got it from a store called IKEA. It's a store that imports things from IKEA, because IKEA is not in Nigeria. My Bluetooth speaker, I got this from Amazon. It's called a boom box, and it was about $50, so it's pretty affordable. Then my Beats, I use this whenever I'm going to the gym. And I got this from actually my brother. I bought it off him for about 40,000 naira. And then the stand, same thing, I got it from him, but he got it from AliExpress. So I just used it to make sure my headphones are safe and presentable when I need it. We're going to this bad boy, and this one holds all my essentials for my office. So as you notice, my desk doesn't even have any drawers. I had to get an external drawer set just to put things in there. So the first drawer, I actually have my pens. So I got these organizers from the same store called IKEA, and these hold my pens. I have a very deep obsession with ballpoint pens that are from 0.5 to 0.3. I got these pens from Office R Us. So I actually go to Office R Us to buy a bunch of them. So I have them in different colors. I have them in black and blue. I use compartments to keep my snacks from Nature Valley. So I snack on these when I'm working. And I put them here, so I have them in 2 different flavors. And then I also have my permanent markers, my fancy markers as well. So this is a 2-in-1 marker. These are all permanent markers, and then 1 board marker for the board. These ones, I got these ones for about maybe 1,000 naira or 1.5. And then this drawer, so I keep my nail cutter, my lip balm, my bank tokens, and my tacks and my pin board. I put them there. Then my glass cases, my spare glasses and stuff, and then wires that I use to charge my phones and my laptops and stuff. I put them there. I got these ones, the smaller ones, for about maybe 500 or 600 naira. And then this drawer is actually my filming drawer. So this containers rather, I got them from like here. This compartment, I put my camera, my hard drive, and my converter in here with my camera lens. This one's actually to hold like my batteries and my hard drives in there. I use this one to hold my AirPod, and then these are like my wired headphones or earphones rather. These are like my sticky notes, so I have them in different colors. I use this as my reminders. Here, even though you can't really see it, is like my filming gear. So I have like my mini tripod, I have my Beats earphones, I have my camera battery pack charger, like my camera wire and some other stuff in there. It's like a junk basket for like my camera and my filming stuff. The camera basket where I keep all my camera junk stuff, I actually got that from Miniso, so you can actually get that there as well. The compartments was actually, I think it was about 8,000 naira, 8.2 or 8.3. Things have actually gone up pretty fast because of the dollar rate. Yeah, this is the one that I feel like it's like the most expensive. But I mean, like, can you see how like nice it looks? Like, this is how sleek. It's like plastic. It's durable, it can fall on the floor and nothing will happen, it won't break. I think it's pretty affordable and it's pretty unique, especially if you want to make your office setup really nice and really organized. So this drawer is actually, I would say, is my junk drawer. So this basket I got from Miniso as well, but this basket holds all my phone cases. As you can see, I am obsessed with phone cases. I am like, it's a bad thing. I mean, you guys should know. I mean, I have a whole ass video about how to make money from selling phone cases. So you had to know that I'm a bit obsessed with phone cases. And this is my daughter's tablet. I keep that here. I have all my jotters from like different situations in my life, like work, like when I first started YouTube. Like this jotter was the first jotter. I don't know if you guys can remember this, but this was the first jotter I used when I first started my YouTube channel. Like, I had like a routine and everything. Like the first video here is, should you register a business name or an LTD? Can you imagine how far? It was like 2-3 years ago when I first started like creating content. I keep all my jotters because sometimes you have this like creative block where you feel like you need inspiration. So sometimes I actually go watch other YouTubers' videos, or I go back to the things that encouraged me to actually start the channel in the first place. This one just has like stuff that I keep important, like my certificates, my passport for me, my husband, my daughter, my wedding certificate, stuff like that, Nobi's immunization cards, just like stuff. Oh yeah, I keep all the receipts that I use when shopping so that I can use it to do my market or budget list. So yeah, that's what this drawer is. Oh yeah, I have pictures, like old pictures of me and my siblings just growing up. My mom, my sister, and me at a park, and my brother, my sister, and I. And oh yeah, the cases for my phones, the duster for my board and charger and stuff like that. This is the pink iMac M1 chip, 2021 version. I got this for about 870,000 naira. So at the time, that was actually a very good steal because every other vendor, like the guy I bought my MacBook from, is not the same person I bought my iMac from. This guy told me that my iMac from him would cost me about 1 million naira. And I found a vendor that my brother referred me to, and he was able to give me an iMac for 870,000. There were two things involved. The first thing was that I was looking for a pink iMac because it had to match the aesthetic. Nobody else had a pink iMac except for this guy, and he was not the cheapest guy. So let's do the math. Of course, I would have gone with this guy. And it comes with like my keypad and my mouse and a charger that I can use to charge my mouse and everything. And that's how much that cost. My MacBook, I got this in 2020, April of 2020, when I lost my job. I think I've mentioned in the previous video when I had to go full into my YouTube channel, invest wholeheartedly into it. So I bought this for about 320,000 naira. It's crazy how I can remember the prices because those prices, it cut your heart. So I bought this for 320,000 naira. So the next thing is this lovely pink mat. It actually comes in 2 shades. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I got this from a store called 24 Dulce. 24 DULCE. I'll put their name in the description. I got them on Instagram. I got their contacts on Instagram. And I found this for about, I think, 10,000 naira. So it's actually quite pricey for a Mac. So I found it very pricey. But it was already matching the aesthetic, so I had to just buy it. You can actually flip it to the other side. If you get bored with this side, you can actually flip it to the other side. So you get to use both sides. And the last one is this lovely chair. I got this from the same store I got my boards from, and that's Office or Us. I got this for about 59,000 naira. So as you can see, my desk has this like upper layer and a lower layer. And a lot of people will see this as a studio table, right? It's not your average office table. I really tried to find those office legs or office propeller, or it's called something, office elevator or something. I'll put a picture here so you can understand what I'm talking about. I really tried to find it here in Nigeria, and I didn't want to build one because I know Nigerian carpenters will disappoint you. I mean, there's already shoddy work with the table, and that's why I said I'm actually going to change it. It's the same material used for this table, but I also got this from my brother because I could not afford to buy that table. I have one table that I bought for 18K and it was rubbish. So I actually forgot to mention information about the drawer because I'm sure everyone's like, where did you get this drawers from? I got this from IKEA too. There are a lot of YouTubers I've seen that done their desk tours abroad, and everybody had this drawer, and I fell in love with it. It's called the Alex drawer. If you check the IKEA website, you can find it there. Different sizes, different ranges. There's one that's as tall as this. There's this one. They're in different colors, but I really wanted a wide drawer to match the aesthetics of what my office should be. So yeah, I got this from IKEA, and I got it for 80,000 because they were doing a sale. I hope you guys loved all the detail that I mentioned. If you have any questions about anything that I did not mention here, leave it in the comment section and I will definitely respond. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, keep watching, and yeah, bye guys.